Hey guys, back with another video for my addicted blogging channel, and in this video I will discuss about how we can accept the calls via the Amazfit Gtr 2. Yes, you heard it right. You can accept calls via this smartwatch, and at the same time you can also reject the call with the help of a message so that the other person can know that you are not available right now. So in this video I will discuss about the steps which you need to perform to answer the call via the smartwatch and also to reject the call with the help of an SMS. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Amazfit Gtr 2 is a great smartwatch with the aluminum body it comes with, and really good looking watch. You can see the round dial watch it is, and it absolutely looks stunning on your hand if you wear it, especially in this color, which is the black color I have with me. And this watch has a lot of functions, and answering and rejecting the call with the SMS is one of them. So first of all, to use this watch you need to download the Zap app, which is the official app for the Amazfit watches, and in this app you will get the feature like rejecting the call with the SMS in other watches of Amazfit like the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and Amazfit GTS 3 series watches. But sadly, because this watch has been released a lot earlier, this feature is not available in the Zap app for rejecting the calls via SMS. So if you come to the profile section and if you come to notification and reminders, in the incoming call feature you will not see the feature of rejecting the call with the SMS, which is present with a lot of Amazfit watches. So how we can enable this? So for this we need to download the Notify app, which is the third-party app for the Amazfit watches, and once you have downloaded it you need to connect the Amazfit Gtr 2 with this app, and once you have connected it you need to come to the last icon here. So after coming to the last icon you will be getting a lot of options, and in there you have to select the button option here. In the button option you will get the option of settings. So here you need to click, and there will be two options, hang up call button and ignore call button. So these two options are very important options because we can modify the buttons which are used to hang up call and ignore call in the Amazfit Gtr 2. So if we come to these options, we will configure these two buttons with the hang up call with SMS and answering call. So how to do this is, in the hang up call button you have to select the hang up call with SMS option. Once you select this you will be getting a pop-up to set up the SMS which you want to send. So here you can set up the SMS which will be sent when you hang up the call. So you can set a message which you want to send. So I will set something like, I will call you later for now, and once I have said that, I am ready to hang up the call with the SMS. So make sure you are selecting the option of hang up call with SMS, and in the ignore call button make sure you are setting the option of answering call. So these two options need to be selected in order to use these functions, and also at the same time you can answer call with the speaker option enabled. So whenever you will be answering the call with the watch, the speaker will be turned on in your phone. So make sure you have turned on this option also if you want that feature also. So after you have turned on these features and selected the option as I have shown here, let's see whether this is working or not. So before trying this, make sure your Notify app is connected with the Amazfit Gtr 2 along with the Zap app, which is the official app for the Amazfit watches. So both apps need to be connected in order to use this feature. And let's now call this number, and I will be calling the number from another phone. So here I am calling my number, and you can see I am receiving a call on my phone which is connected to Amazfit Gtr 2. Now let's see whether the hang up with SMS option is working or not. So I hanged up the number, and you can see the other person is also getting the visit on here, and here you can see that a message has been sent from my phone to the number who is calling me. So every time you will be rejecting the call, a message will be sent with the same message which you have said in the Notify app. so that the other person will know that you are busy and right now you are not available. So which is a very nifty feature which you can use with this Amazfit Gtr 2. So now the main option which I am talking about, which is the answering call option, and let's see whether this option is working or not. So again, I am calling my number and I will be receiving a call on my phone right now. So here is the call and my Amazfit Gtr 2 is also vibrating. So I will use the ignore call button. So as you can see, the call has been accepted and I am able to talk to the person over my phone. So right now let's see the enable speaker option is also working or not. As in the Notify app I have enabled this option. So in the Notify app, make sure you have enabled the option enable speaker. So let's call again. So you can see the enable speaker option is also working, but it is a gimmicky feature. Sometimes it is working and sometimes it is not. So make sure you are not dependent on this feature, which is the enable speaker option. Apart from that, the answering call feature and rejecting the call by SMS is working fine with the Amazfit Gtr 2, which is really great, and I am very much pleased with the features in this watch and the more functions you get once you download the Notify app for the Amazfit watches. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.